We are 15 minutes away from our Fireworks Jetpack Spectacular, brought to you by Fody Fireworks and Jetpack Entertainment. That means make some noise, Sydney! Are you guys ready for our nighttime Fireworks Spectacular? All right, Sydney, come on, make some noise! Niemand Harbour! Woo! Happy Lunar New Year, Sydney. Thank you so much for joining us down here on the iconic Darling Harbour. We hope you enjoyed the show. Of course, there is still so much to see and do right across the entire Darling Harbour precinct. Please make sure you get home safely. Enjoy the rest of your night here in Darling Harbour. We will be back with more Lunar New Year celebrations throughout the next couple of weeks, so keep your eyes peeled on Facebook, Instagram, and all the social channels. But right now, on the count of 3, I want you to put your hands together and make some noise for our guys in the sky. 1, 2, 3! Oh, come on, Sydney, I know you guys can do better than that. Make some noise! We hope you enjoyed the show. Make sure you tag us on socials. You'll find us at Jetpack Entertainment. Please, if you are driving home, drive safely, but enjoy the rest of your night. We'll see you again soon. Thank you and good night. The boys aren't done yet. Come on, Sydney, make some noise! Count them down. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is what it's all about. Do we want to see it one more time? Yes. Nah, you're going to have to be louder than that. I said, do you guys want to see it one more time? Yes! All right, we're going to bring them in nice and close. Get your cameras out and ready. This will be our final trick of the evening. You do not want to miss it. All right, Sydney, we're going to count back from 5. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skyfall. Well, thank you, Sydney. Once again, you guys have been an absolutely incredible crowd. Happy Lunar New Year. Thank you for spending your evening with us down here at Darling Harbour. We'll see you again real soon. Thank you and good night.
Oh,